We all know the feeling. The tires look okay, they're not in too bad a shape, and maybe I can go a little bit longer before I need to replace them. They will get me where I need to go, but having poor tires on your vehicle can cost you additional money, and in worst case scenarios, a blown out tire and the ensuing accident that occurs from the event. At the same time, while it is raining or snowing, roads can get slippery and poor tires make it harder to drive safely. It's like when your favorite pair of running shoes has lost their tread. Yeah, they work, but they could work a lot better. So how important is it to maintain the quality of your tires? It is very important. When should you replace them? One of the easiest ways to see if your tires need changing is to use the tread depth test. Insert a quarter into the tire with the caribou facing down. If you see its nose, you need to change your tires. There are also other important features to look for, and if you do see any of these, change the tires immediately. First, a sidewall bulge. This is around the center part of the tire. Normally it lies fairly flat, but if it is bulging, it means that the tire is in poor shape and will blow. Along with the bulge, look for any damages to the sidewall. If you see anything that isn't normal, have the tires changed. If the metal cord is showing on the tire, change it. The interior portion of the tires are reinforced with metal. When the rubber outer layer is too low, the metal begins to show. Lastly, look to see if there are any deep cracks in the grooves of the tire. They are indicative of a bigger problem that can only be fixed by replacements. We suggest reviewing your tires on an ongoing basis to reduce the chance of accidents or a blowout. Safety comes first. If you have any further questions or concerns, feel free to contact the number below or come on into the dealership. Thank you very much and have a great day.